World Surgery Tour Festival in Cologne.
I like very much the style and the hybrid character.
It's great. It's something really dynamic.
The World Surgery Tour Festival is a very special place. It is a great combination of doing practical work, intellectual work, and also interchanging both with industry as well as with the participants.
It's a great opportunity for the young surgeons to come here and have kind of training and operate on cadavers and discuss their problems, bring their own cases.
I've been blown away. It's been excellent. The quality of all of the production, the standards were just really high. So it's been a very positive experience. It's one that I and Eska are very proud to have been a part of.
And the thrill is not only for the faculty, also for the participants, that you share your experience during procedures.
So I came all the way from Australia, and even jet lagged, like my attention was always on, like they kept it really engaging and really interesting.
Novel techniques, video, engagement, cadavers, interactive sessions. It's a really unique kind of format for us as a surgeon to participate in and show and talk and be engaging. It's really neat.
They take your hand and they show you how to do the right thing at the right moment.
It was very well organized, and we have representation from multiple areas in industry, as well as experts who are at the top of their fields. And it's been really exciting to see the different techniques that are shared, as well as the young surgeons who are here to learn.
Get ready for 2025 for the World Surgery Tour. This is an excellent place to learn and improve yourself and help your patients. Don't miss this one. See you in 2025.